Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Learn English at Home. In my previous videos, we have learned what is an adjective, its types, how to form the adjective or the formation of the adjective. We have also learned the irregular, comparative and the superlative forms of adjective. In today's session, we are learning transformation of sentences, or we can say interchange of degree of comparison. We know that there are three types of degrees: positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. Now see the sentences of positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. Amit is tall. It is a sentence in positive degree. It is a simple statement. The adjective is used in its basic form. It describes the noun Amit. In second sentence, Amit is taller than Sumit. Here Amit and Sumit, two persons are compared. Er is added to the adjective and then than is used. In a comparative degree, two persons, two places or two things are compared with each other. In third sentence, Kavita is the tallest of all. It is a superlative degree. Adjective plus est shows it is a superlative degree and the article the is used before the adjective tallest. In a superlative degree, more than two things are compared. So, these are the examples of positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. Now let's learn how to change the degree of the sentences. How to change a positive degree into comparative, comparative into superlative, so on. We are learning this change of degree in 4 different ways. Now the first way is comparison. Comparison between one with one. Here one with one means one person with one person, one place with one place, one thing with one thing, so on. See the example. Cake is sweeter than biscuit. Here cake and biscuit, they are compared. If we consider cake as subject number 1 and biscuit as subject number 2. This is a comparative degree. See here the structure of the sentence. In the beginning, the subject 1 is used, then verb form is used, er is added to the adjective, then than is used and then subject number 2. If cake is sweeter than biscuit, what we can say about biscuit? Biscuit is not as sweet as cake. Here in the beginning we have used the subject number 2, then verb form is there, then not is added, then the basic form of adjective sweet is used between as and then subject number 1. When there is a comparison between one with one, we can change a comparative degree into positive, positive into comparative. We can't change it into superlative degree because it is a comparison of 2 only. When we change the comparative into positive, we make the sentence negative. That is, we add not in the sentence. So, this is the example of comparison one with one. See some more examples of the comparison between one with one. Now see some more examples of comparison between one with one. First sentence, he is taller than his father. It is a comparative degree. Er is added to the adjective and than is used. So what we can say about his father? His father is not as tall as he. Here it is a positive degree. The basic form of adjective is used between as. Second sentence, Amit bowls faster than Sumit. So what we can say about Sumit's bowling? Sumit does not bowl as fast as Amit. In a comparison one with one, we can change a positive degree into comparative or a comparative degree into positive. And here it is a comparison of unequal quality of these two persons or two subjects. When two things, two person, two places are equal, how to change the degree? See the example. My house is as big as your house. It is a positive degree. The basic form of adjective big is used between as. Now how to change this sentence into comparative degree? We can change this positive sentence into comparative by two ways. First, my house is not bigger than your house. Here we have not changed the subject because they are same. We can also say that my house is not less big than your house. So when the two things, two person, two places are equal, we can change the sentence by two ways. So see one more example. When two things, two places, two persons are equal. See one more example when the quality is equal. First, he was as successful as his brother. Means both are equal successful. So this is a sentence in positive degree. Successful, it is the basic form of adjective used between as. Now how to change it into comparative degree? As both are equally successful, then in comparative degree we write he was not more successful than his brother, or we can also say he was not less successful than his brother, because he and his brother, they are equal successful, not more or not less. So these are the examples of the comparison between one with one when the adjectives or the qualities are unequal or the qualities are equal. Now the third type of comparison is comparison between one with many. One person, one place, one thing with many other things, many other person or places. See the example. Elephant is the biggest animal in the jungle. This sentence is in superlative degree. The est is added to the adjective, the article the is used before it. So this is a sentence in superlative degree. Elephant is said to be the biggest animal in the jungle. So how is the structure of the sentence? If we consider elephant as subject number 1 and the other animal as the subject number 2, then the superlative degree start with subject number 1, then verb form is there, article the is used, est is added to the adjective or most is used before the adjective, then subject number 2 and the extra part of the sentence. Now how to change this sentence superlative degree into positive degree? As elephant is the biggest animal means no other animal is as big as elephant in the jungle, only elephant is the biggest. No other animal is as big as elephant in the jungle, it is a positive degree. The adjective is used in its basic form between as. So how is the structure in positive degree? We start with no other. Then subject number 2 is used in singular form. Then the verb form is there. Adjective, basic form of adjective is used between as. Then subject number 1 and the extra part of the sentence. Now how to change this sentence into comparative degree? We can say elephant is bigger than any other animal in the jungle because elephant is the biggest animal in the jungle. So comparative form is elephant is bigger than any other animal in the jungle. It is a comparative degree. er is added to the adjective than any other. This construction is used in comparative degree. So how is the structure of the sentence in comparative degree? We start with subject number 1 elephant. Then verb form is used. er is added to the adjective than any other is used after the adjective, then subject number 2 in singular form and the extra part of the sentence. When there is a comparison between one with many, we can change the sentence in all three degrees: positive, comparative and superlative. Let's see one more example. See one more example. Example of comparison one with many. See the first one. He is the richest man of all the men in the village. He is only the richest. This is a superlative degree. The adjective is added with est and the article is used before it. Now how to change it into positive degree? As he is only the richest, no other man is as rich as he in the village. Here the basic form of adjective is used between as. Now how to change this sentence into comparative degree? He is richer than any other man in the village. Here richer is in comparative degree. Than any other is used after the adjective. So when the comparison is between one with many, we can change it in all three degrees, that is positive, comparative and superlative. So these are the two examples of comparison one with many. Now fourth type of comparison is comparison one from many. If there is a group of person, places, thing of same quality, and if we want to mention one from them, now how to change the degree of such sentences? See the example. Amit is one of the cleverest boys in the class. Means there is a group of clever boys in the class and Amit is one of them. So this sentence, Amit is one of the cleverest boys in the class, it is in superlative degree. The est is added to the adjective and the article the is used before it. The structure of this superlative degree is, if we consider Amit as the subject number 1 and the other boys as subject number 2, then in superlative degree we start with subject number 1. Then verb form is used, then one of the, this construction is used, adjective is added with est, then subject number 2 in plural form is used and then the extra part of the sentence. Now how to change this sentence into positive degree? As Amit is one of the cleverest boys, means there are few boys like Amit in the class. So in positive degree we start with very few. Then subject number 2, very few boys are as clever as Amit in the class. Very few boys are as clever as Amit in the class. So this is a sentence in positive degree. The basic form of adjective clever is used between as. So how is the structure of sentence in positive degree? We start with very few. Then subject number 2 is used in its plural form. Then verb form is also used in plural form. As the subject is plural, the verb form is also plural. Then as adjective as is used. Then subject number 1 and the extra part of the sentence. Now how to change the same sentence in comparative degree? Amit is cleverer than many other boys in the class. Here instead of any other we use many other because there are few boys like Amit in the class. So in comparative degree we use than many other. So structure of the comparative degree is, we start with subject number 1, then the verb form, adjective is added with er or more is used, then than many other, this construction is used, then subject number 2 in its plural form is used and the extra part of the sentence. So when the comparison is one from many, we also can change the sentence in all three degrees, that is positive, comparative and superlative. Now see one more example, comparison one from many. See first, Sanskrit is one of the oldest languages in the world. There are few old languages in the world, and from that one is Sanskrit. So how to change its positive degree? Very few languages are as old as Sanskrit in the world. So in positive degree we start with very few, because very few languages, old languages are there in the world. Its comparative degree is Sanskrit is older than many other languages in the world. So when comparison is one from many, we have changed the sentence in all three degrees: positive, comparative and superlative. Today we have learned how to change the degree of the sentences, how to change positive into comparative, comparative into superlative and so on, without changing the meaning of the sentence. We have learned this transformation or interchange of degrees in 4 different ways. In first, we have learned the comparison one with one of equal qualities. Comparison one with unequal qualities. We have also learned comparison one with many. And in last, we learn the comparison one from many. If you want to understand how to change the degree of the sentences with all 4 comparisons, practice your own sentences. If you like my videos, do like it, subscribe it and share it.